why is my printer offline? It can be frustrating when you're trying to print important documents, but your printer is offline or not showing up on the network. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix an offline printer. Your printer can go offline if it's out of paper, ink, or toner, you have a poor Wi-Fi or internet connection between your printer and the device you're printing from, the cables and ports on your printer are faulty or loose, your printer has physical damage or the internal hardware is broken, or most commonly, your printer and laptop software might be outdated or the settings are incorrect. Here's how to fix it. First, check for loose cables, connections, or printing supplies like paper, ink, or toner. Check your internet connection and that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. You could also try moving your printer closer to your router. Restart your printer and your computer. This can sometimes help fix minor issues. To make sure you're connected to the right printer, go to your printer and scanner settings and set the printer as default. You should also check if your printer is online. You'll see a little green dot. And remove all pending print jobs. If your printer is still offline, reinstall the printer software or driver on your computer. Let's start with the steps for a Mac. Feel free to skip ahead if you have a Windows computer. Open System Preferences, then Printers and Scanners. Select the printer on the list, click the minus icon, and select your printer to remove it. Add the printer again by clicking on the plus icon. Select the printer and click on the Use drop-down menu below to choose your printer software or driver. You can use AirPrint if you're connected to an AirPrint-enabled printer, select a pre-installed printer software on your computer or download it from Apple, or add the printer software from a file on your Mac. For a Windows computer, start by removing and reinstalling the printer. Go to Start, Settings, Devices, and open Printers and Scanners. Select the printer from the list and click Remove Device. Add the printer again by clicking on the Add a Printer or Scanner option. Next, reinstall the printer's driver. In the Printers and Scanners menu, click on Print Server Properties in Related Settings. Under Drivers, choose your printer's driver, select Remove, and click Remove Driver and Driver Package. Go back to the Printer Server Properties, click on Drivers, then Add, and use the Add Printer Driver wizard and follow the steps to reinstall your printer driver. On Windows 10, you can run the built-in troubleshooter and follow the prompts to see if Windows can locate any issues. You also can troubleshoot using software specific to your printer, which you can download from the manufacturer's website. Still not working? Your printer could be broken or have hardware issues. It might be time to contact an expert. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.